box of Certified for Flopfish. No hot box yet. We shall see. Nope, no hot box. We have a mirror red of Martin St. Louis. That's number to 199. Number to 150, Brad Richards, mirror red dual jersey. Mirror red dual jersey of Brad Richards. There's your base pack. Sometimes two of those, just depends. Cam Ward, Masked Marvels. Freshman Sigs, Mikko Koskinen. Nice, Subi. Here's a hit. Number to 399, Fabric of the Game, Anze Kopitar. 399. Something coming here. You've got a gold, numbered 7/25, Barrett Jackman. Barrett Jackman gold. Number to 499. Rookie jersey auto, Ryan Nugent Hopkins. The Nuge. And it is, wow, it's in pretty good shape. A lot of those come out a little like dingy. That one's pretty good looking. Pretty good looking. You got a gold team of Nicholas Lidstrom. Mojo is flowing tonight already. And there's your second base pack. So congrats, Flops. There you go.